going to be sharing with you guys my third full body exercise. So I already have 2 of these exercise routines on my channel, but this is my third one. So I'm literally working out. This is what I'm going to be doing as exercise today. And if you follow me, you would know that I am a dancer. So the point of this exercise routine is simply just to tone and strengthen the body, not at all to bulk. As a dancer, I want my body as lean and toned as possible while being as strong as possible. So this exercise routine will not at all bulk your body up. This workout consists of 3 circuits. Each circuit is done 3 times, and in each circuit there's a lower body exercise, an upper body exercise, and a core focused exercise. So you'll be getting your whole body. You will be doing some weights so that you will be toning. You'll also have your heart rate up the whole time, so you are getting that cardiovascular benefit and burning the calories and the fat. And overall, it's going to be a very good workout. So without further ado, let's jump right on in. First things first, we're going to start off by stretching. This is something that I do prior to exercising every single time, just to maintain the overall health of my body and to also avoid injuries. It is so beyond important. Now I'm going to put on ankle weights. They are fully optional, however, I highly suggest them. This section of the workout is geared to activating the glutes and the hamstrings. When exercising, your quads tend to take over, especially when doing legs, but we want to make our glutes and hamstrings take over instead, so that is what we are going to focus on here, the butt and the backs of your legs. So as you can see here, you're just going to lay on your side, put your legs at a 90-degree angle bent, foot flexed, and you're going to squeeze your butt so much that it brings your leg up. Do not let your hips roll back. Now we're going to do these lateral leg lifts. So straight top leg, bottom leg bent at a 90-degree angle, foot fully flexed, and lift your leg up as high as possible, really focusing on squeezing the butt to lift your leg up, which is what you should be thinking about during all of these exercises. We're going to do 25 of each of these. Now we're going to again lay on our sides, and we're going to do these hip openers. So legs at a 90-degree angle bent, feet flexed, and the goal here is to squeeze your butt so much that you turn your knee out. So it's kind of funny, but it works very, very well, and you should super duper feel this burn in your butt. Remember, make sure your feet are fully flexed to engage your glutes and your hamstrings, and try to not let your hips roll back, so keep them stacked on top of each other as much as possible. Now we're going to go over to our stomachs. Now this one's really to activate your hamstrings, so you're going to lay both legs straight and make sure that your legs are parallel, and you're simply going to flex your top leg. Think of squeezing your butt and the hamstrings, the muscle at the back of your leg, to lift your leg up. So really, really focus on that, and you should feel the burn. Remember, this whole section is to activate the glutes. Do 25 of each exercise on the right and the left. Now we're going to start circuit number 1. The first thing is 20 weighted squats. Here I'm holding 25 pounds. So put your legs hip distance apart and keep the weight in your heels. So again, you're activating the glutes and the hamstrings. And really squeeze your glute at the top of the squat to really activate that butt. And again, remember, most important thing is to put the weight in the backs of your heels so that you're activating your hamstrings and your glutes rather than your quads, so that you maintain the leanness of your legs. And again, remember, legs are parallel. Now we're going to move on to push-ups. So we're simply going to do 10 push-ups. The first circuit, we will do wide stance, as you can see here. Remember, form is the most important part. So it is completely okay if you have to go down on your knees. Now we're going to do these miserable core rainbows. So you're going to hang on the bar, and as you can see, you're going to just lift your legs right to left. You should maintain your legs fully straight, except I really cannot do it yet. I just started doing these, and they're so hard to me. So try not to swing as much as possible. I kind of swing a little, but trust me, try these and you will really, really feel them. And my face looks really funny in that clip. Now we're going to repeat circuit number 1 twice more. For the push-up section, we're going to do the military style. So keep your elbows glued to the side of your body as much as possible. I have a lot of trouble with these, so I do typically have to go on my knees after 2 or 3 because I want to maintain form and build my strength up. Then the miserable rainbows once again. Then again, we're going to do circuit number 1 for the 3rd time. Now we're going to move on to circuit number 2. For the first exercise, we're going to do these single leg hops, 10 of them on each side. Now the goal here is to jump as high as possible without letting your knee wiggle, as I just showed on the screen. So you want to keep your legs completely parallel, jump as high as possible, and really think about engaging the glutes and the hamstrings. Next up, we're going to do 10 of these tuck lifts. Now the idea behind this is that you are engaging your core so much that they are pulling your legs in towards your chest. Again, make sure you do not allow yourself to swing. And again, really focus on that core, so that is what is lifting your legs up. Make sure to keep your knees fully glued together.
Despite all the love I gave, you wanted something I can't be.
Now we have these spiders. These are oddly hard. They look easy, but they're actually very difficult. So elevate your feet, and then you're going to go elbow, elbow, up, up, and go right, right, left, left. Then we're going to repeat circuit number 2 twice more.
Slow down, love, it's too bright out there, out there. Hold on, love, you're walking.
Next up, we have circuit number 3. We're going to start with these ski squat jumps. So a little break, these aren't as hard. So you want to keep your knees and your feet fully glued together the entire time. If doing this proper, you should really feel it in your glutes. Get as deep into your squat as possible while keeping your legs together. Then we're going to do chin-ups. So as you can see here, I did as many as I could without the band, and then I had to get the assistance band just because I'm still working on these, and again, form's the most important part, so I'd rather just build up my strength with proper form. And I did 5 here. Do as many as you can, and as you can see here, they get slower each time because they are getting harder each time. I hate chin-ups. Now we're going to do our last hanging tuck move. So this time we're going to focus on the obliques. So same exercise as last time, but we're going to go diagonal to diagonal. So again, the core is lifting up the legs so much. This will help target the muscles on the sides of your stomach called the obliques. Then we're going to repeat circuit number 3 2 more times.
This time I waited on a future that you never did see.
And then for the last thing, I simply just stretched and rolled out my muscles again just to maintain the flexibility, avoid injury, and also hopefully be less sore the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And yeah, guys, I love you, and I will see you soon.